your love. I give you all I got, but it's not enough for you. Sure you fire me catapult of love. That's why I can't get enough of you. But to be that, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through for my shawty wallet. But to be that, nothing I can't do for my baby, my shawty oreke, my baby. Baby, share you there for me. Oh, no, 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 as I there for you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Baby, share you there for me. Oh, yeah, 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 as I there for you. Yeah, yeah. Just one taste and I'm wanting more. What do you give me is not enough. No.
There are so many wonderful words that I can say about Chi Chi, and I know that you will be an amazing wife, because this is not something that was pretty much done overnight. This is something that you have pretty much dedicated just your life to by being such an amazing person. So I love you, I love you, and I love you.
Oh my baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see.
So guys, honestly, I've been waiting for the last 10 years, maybe 10 to 15 years to give this speech. Honestly, you have a real one. So, I want you to take care of my brother, because officially today, he's off the streets. Right, guys? So, Chidi, please, Uju is a queen, you know. Uju is a woman that I know you're very happy. So, Chidi, look at me. Take care of Uju.